In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access old iCloud backups on any iPhone, and we'll get it done in just 5 minutes. Whether you've accidentally deleted some files, or you're simply trying to retrieve old data, knowing how to access your iCloud backups is incredibly useful. So, let's dive into it. First things first, you'll want to grab your iPhone and open up the Settings app. You probably know the app by its recognizable gear icon. Once you're there, look near the top of the screen and you'll see your name. Go ahead and tap on it. This will give you access to all settings related to your Apple ID. Next, you'll want to tap on the iCloud option. This is where you manage all your cloud data, including documents, photos, and backups. Here in iCloud settings, look for the iCloud backup option. It should be located within the list. Give it a tap. This section is where all your device's backup settings reside. It's crucial because iCloud backup ensures that all the essential data on your iPhone is safely stored in the cloud. Now take a moment to tap on Manage Storage. Managing your storage is essential because it allows you to keep track of how much space your iCloud backups are using. Under Manage Storage, you'll want to look for the Backups option. Tap on it and this is where the magic happens. Once you're in the Backups section, you'll see a list of all the backups tied to your Apple ID. If you've been backing up your device regularly, you might even see backups from older devices that you've used in the past. This list will include all available backups, featuring the name of the devices along with their backup dates. This way you can easily identify which backup you want to access based on the device and when it was backed up. It's a good idea to tap into each backup entry to see detailed information on what's stored in those backups. Be mindful that older backups can include important files and settings that you might need now, so take your time browsing through them. And that's essentially it. You now know how to access old iCloud backups on any iPhone, allowing you to retrieve your valuable data when needed. Remember, regularly checking your backup list can ensure peace of mind, knowing that you can retrieve important information whenever necessary. Thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful how-tos, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or check the description for more resources. Happy exploring and take care.